Nishkriyaha, lazy, doing nothing. In his presence only everything is happening. Like the sun is Nishkriya. Sun doesn't come and try to wake us up because he failed. So he has given up. I cannot wake up the people. They are all Suryavamshi. Nishkriyaha. The truth doesn't do anything. See? Be attentive. There is no activity involved. Seeing is not an activity. After seeing, complaining and comparing and commenting, that is activity. See the important thing. Nishkriyaha. So eyes only see, they don't comment. Comments come from the mind. So nirguno, nishkriyaha, nityaha. Everything is constantly subject to modification and change. Now every word apply to yourself. See, this is another very simple way of contemplation. Word Ashoka means I. This word Ashoka did not create the knowledge of I to all of them, but for that student, is it not? Now what is the meaning of Ashoka? The one who is free of miseries, and he was miserable. See, if this example is clear, exactly the same way, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham husband, Brahma, Brahma, Nitya, ever. So when the meaning of the word can be deducted to one's own being, then we have understood the scriptures. Otherwise, it is said, Nirguna, hoga apne ko kya karna hai? You are that Nirguna man. Then, Nishkriyaha. We have done nothing to increase our age. It is all happening. But all oldies have got that arrogance. धूप में बाल सफेद नहीं किए, हो गए तब ना. What is our contribution in becoming old? Zero. That arrogance comes. Therefore, Nirgunaha means I, Nishkriyaha means I. What do we do to dream? Dreams happen. You cannot decide what dream you will dream. You cannot. You cannot improve the dream, but they are happening. See, friend, Nirgunaha, Nishkriyaha, Nityaha. So all of them keep on coming and going, we are the same. Like so many satsang have come and gone, Asangoham, 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 Punah Punaha. Let any number of Mahatmas come and try their best and go back with frustration. One person asked me this question on some airport. You are constantly giving lectures throughout the world here and there, but nobody changes, nobody improves. Don't you feel bad about it? I say, why should I feel bad? It's good they don't improve. My market is maintained. Nishkriyaha. If we feel that I am doing something, then the failure will come. See, friends, one technique I'll tell you about this karma, whatever karma you do. Whatever we do in our life, remember this, nobody needs it. It is our need that we do whatever. But we have that arrogance. I have done so much for you. Who asked you? See? Relax. Then whatever we are, it is our need. When we are taking food, is it the food needs? Arey yaar, khao na mujhe. No. Our need. We go for a walk. Do you think the road needs us? Koi to chalo. Recognize this principle. The net result will be, you will never have a failure in your life. Failure is what? When we do something for somebody and if it doesn't come to our expectation, it is a failure. But whatever we are doing because it is our need. Like I am talking to you all. It is my need to talk to you. I know, don't need me. See, imagine, last 1.5 hour, year or two, morning, evening. Had I not been engaging myself like that, what I would have done? Eat, sleep, eat. Now these two things kept me on toes. Therefore, whatever we do in our life, it is our need. And therefore, nirguno, nishkriyo, nityaha, nirvikalpaha. Vikalpa means options. Be attentive. Do we have vikalpa option about what? Now it is evening. It is not morning. Vikalpa option. Now we are in Rishikesh. We are not in Haridwar, the Vikalpa. I am man. I am not a woman. Vikalpa option. Now one step further. Do we have this Vikalpa option? I am or I am not? This is Nirvikalpa Samadhi.